Let's make Ethnic Techno. First, let's set the tempo to 120 BPM and start with a kick from my sample pack. Then a clap. Some open hi-hats. Some percussion for groove. Then some shakers. This is not from a sample pack. Then at the second half of the drop, let's add some more claps for groove. Now we need a crash. And to finish off the drums, let's turn the kick to mono and dip the lows a bit. Guys, if you like these drums, they're from my sample pack, the House Maniac. You can get the pack using the link in the description. The pack contains more than 150 samples, which work with any house or techno genre. All the samples are high quality and it's super affordable. So if you're interested, check it out using the link in the description. Now let's make the techno elements, and after that, let's move on with the ethnic elements. As for the techno elements, let's start with a deep bass from my Serum preset pack. Let's sidechain this to the kick using a limiter. Turn this to mono and EQ to balance out the sound. I'm going for a soft and emotional kind of vibe with it, so let's make some pads that fit that vibe. Let's sidechain this and take down lows and highs. Let's layer another patch to this. I'll sidechain this and EQ to take down lows and some mids. Now let's make a simple melody. I'll just EQ this to get rid of the harsh frequencies. And add some panning effects. Now we need a deep growling synth in the background. Let's dip the lows from this. And use a parallel channel to add some reverb. Some delay. And let's also pan these effects. Guys, if you like these presets, check out my Serum preset pack. It contains more than 100 presets which are free for any kind of techno or house genre. The presets are high quality and super affordable, so if you're interested in it, check it out using the link in the description. Now let's move on to the ethnic elements. First, let's add some flute-like melody. Let's add some slight delay to this. Some reverb. Some saturation on the highs. And again some delay. Then I'll use this OD instrument to create an ARP-like melody to play in the background. I'll simply take down the lows. Now at the second half of the drop, let's add another synth. Let's just sidechain this. Since the drop's now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's start with the kick, the clap, and the shakers. And use some crashes whenever introducing new elements. At the next 8 bars, let's add the bass, the synth, and this percussion. And at the next 8 bars, let's add the open hi-hats, the pads, and the plucks. Moving on to the build-up, let's add the ode, the flute after 8 bars. Now let's add some build-up drums for my sample pad. And some risers. I'll also create a kick fill just before the drop hits. To thin out the build-up, I'll automate the EQ to take down lows like this. Now let's just duplicate this and change things around at the second half. So guys, our track is now finished. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.